Back. Thank you so much for staying tuned into Lunchtime Trades. Time to put the spotlight on AI and the AI Summit and developments happening at the sidelines of that. But before we do that, controversy has erupted at the India AI Impact Summit, and let's take a closer look at that also, because sources are telling us that Galgotia's University has been asked to vacate its expo space after a video went viral showing its team presenting a Chinese-made robo-dog as their own work. Now, the university denies this, saying that there's been no directive to vacate the booth and calls it a clear misinterpretation at this point in time. In fact, Rishabh is standing by with the full story right now.
Right, we're at the Galgotia's University booth here. This has been the hub of the controversial Chinese robo-dog case that has come up. The government had reportedly asked them to vacate this particular booth, but as you can see right next to me, the booth is still pretty much occupied. That robo-dog advertisement is still pretty much there. What the university is saying is that they haven't received any directive to vacate this booth, and what they're also saying is that this is a clear case of misinterpretation. They never claimed to have innovated that robo-dog, but it was a part of their AI investment, and they're building stuff on top of that robo-dog. So this controversy is still a very small part of this very large India AI Impact Summit.
Well, absolutely, Rishabh, a very small part of a very large summit. In fact, you do have my colleague from NDTV, Himanshu Shekhar, who's gotten a chance to speak to the professors at Galgotia's University, where they clarify about the robotic dog presented at the AI Summit. Let's tune into that slice of conversation as well.
A story which has gone viral, where Professor Neha Singh is talking about a dog robot. How do you see the questions that have arisen from this controversy? I think I'll start with you.
No. We are all on the same page. We are well aligned. आप किसी से भी सवाल पूछेंगे, आपको जवाब वही मिलेगा.
No, but how do you see the questions that are being raised? You must have seen the video that has gone viral.
The questions that are being raised are somewhere a little disappointing. जिस तरह से बोला जा रहा है कि देश की छवि और इस तरह के सवाल, हम एक बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन है. देश की छवि हमारे लिए सर्वोपरि है, और गलगोटियाज यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ने देश की छवि को में अपना योगदान बहुत अच्छी तरह से दिया हुआ है. So we know what we are doing. We still stand by what we claim, and we always claim that we will keep bringing cutting edge technologies across the globe to our students in the close vicinity. यही हम करते आए हैं, यही हम कर रहे हैं, यही हमारा पूरा मकसद है.
Did you claim in the video that this dog robot was made in Galgotia University?
We never claimed that this dog was made in Galgotia's University, and I am very consciously stressing we never claimed that it was made. We always said that in collaboration with the Centers of Excellence, this is something that we would like to develop on it further. हम हमेशा से यही काम करते आए हैं कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का जरिया लेकर के हम अपने बच्चों को एक ऐसा एक्सपोजर और एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम देते हैं कि बच्चे उस पर कुछ डेवलप करें, विकसित भारत में अपना योगदान दें. और हम में से कौन ये नहीं चाहेगा कि भारत आज हर चीज़ में आगे है. गलगोटियाज यूनिवर्सिटी जैसे शिक्षण संस्थान इसको और बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिसीव कर रहे हैं और हमारे बच्चों को इस तरह से तैयार कर रहे हैं. हमने उनको एक पूरा इकोसिस्टम दिया है जहाँ पे वो ये सारी चीजें इस तरह के.
I would like to add to this. We recently have made artificial intelligence and data science block specially developed. We have developed that for our students for upskilling and research and development. So for them to have a hands-on experience, we are trying to bring all the cutting edge things and all the researches and all the advancements that are going around, so that they are just not hearing about it or seeing about it, but they are actually working on them.
Right.
So this was just a part of the investment that we made in the direction of AI. The 370 crore we claim that we have, and we have actually invested that much of amount. Yes, it was a part of that investment, and there are several other things that we have.
Alright, then there you go. So that's the entire clarification coming in from Galgotia's University, where they're saying that they've never claimed that the robot was their own, and